But victory or defeat, it's up to me to decide. But how can I expect to win if I never tried? I just can't give up now. I've come too far from where I started from. And nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe it's brought me this far to leave me. Never said there wouldn't be trials, never said I wouldn't fall, never said that everything would go the way I wanted to go. But when my back is against the wall and I feel the hope is gone, I just lift my head up to the sky and say, help me to be strong. Oh, oh, I just can't give up now. I've come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe it's brought me this far to leave me. I just can't give up now. Oh no, I've come too far from where I started from. And nobody told me that the road would be easy, and I don't believe it's brought me this far. I don't believe it's brought me this far. I don't believe it's brought me this far to leave me.